Hey everyone, where have we been, right? I'm watching subscribers go up on this channel and I'm feeling really guilty that I've not put out a video. But today I want to talk about how we plan to pivot during this economic scare. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Cedar Hill Country Market, and I wanted to let everybody know that I'm alive and well, and I'm really sorry that I haven't done any videos lately. With the pandemic and everything that's been going on with COVID, my business is sort of pivoting, and I really wanted to talk today about how important it is if you have any kind of business, or if you're structured like me, or you're just a customer who's wondering where are all my favorite stores going. Brick and mortar stores are closing everywhere, and everybody's kind of moving into a different way to shop and different way of purchasing items that they're so accustomed to having. So today I really wanted to talk about how important it is to do that pivot when you're structured into doing very like-minded products. I started out many years ago, 10 plus years ago, just doing t-shirts and garments. And I've really just focused on that. I'm really just put all of my energy into coming up with just a really quality product, so that I would have a high return in customers, and so I would have really great customer service, and I really wasn't focused on volume as much as I was just quality in order to get my business down. And now that I feel like I've gotten really close to knowing what those needs are, I'm going to move into some different products for our company, and some of which I'm going to make and some of which I'm going to source. And I wanted to share, why that's important. I just think that, making sure that you're offering products and services that your customers enjoy, and that are easy to answer questions about, and yeah. So what are some of the things that make a company withstand an economic downturn? I know in 2008 I was in the middle of doing fairly well with my t-shirt business before, and the economy took a downturn in 2008, and it affected a lot of businesses and a lot of my accounts where I was doing uniforms and embroidery and things like that. And the internet was changing at that time. The ways to market was changing at that time. And so we just have to really learn how to, pivot our products and services in order to sustain our businesses. So we're going to be doing some different changes. We've relaunched our website, and it's all fresh and new with that. I've gone with a Shopify, and I'll do a separate video on why I like Shopify. A sneak peek into that. I like Shopify because it's a lot like WordPress, which is what I was using before. And if you're looking for a website platform that's really easy to pick up and learn, and has a lot of tutorials and a lot of how to create a really phenomenal website, I would suggest Shopify. I think their plans start around $30 if you're just starting out, and then they have different platforms for you to graduate to. I also have an Etsy store. I have an Amazon store. I have an eBay store. So I have a lot of different platforms to keep up inventory. And I have a pretty small team that I work with. They're virtual or non-virtual that help us bring all of our products and services to our customers. So one of the products that I'm going to be adding is jewelry, and some of it I'm going to be making and some of it I'm going to be resourcing. And this is one of the many products that you're going to find on our website. And these are going to be inspirational. The back of the necklace is really intricate. It's just high quality craftsmanship, and it's got some little charms on it that dangle off the necklace. And this has got a 22-inch chain. It's beautiful. I'll do a separate video on our jewelry that we're going to be offering, and I'll display all of the jewelry at that point. Another product I'm going to be adding is going to be small candles, and they're more than likely, these are all going to be sourced from America. I'm not going to be adding any products from outside of the United States. I'm going to really try to focus on American-made products. We're a veteran-owned company, and so we really want to give all of our money and our resources into the United States. I think that's where a lot of the purchasing is ending up. A lot of people are looking for American-made products, and we want to be known as one of those brands. So all of our artisan gifts that we're going to be offering on our website are all going to be American crafted and handmade items. Cedar Hill Country Market came about when my husband and I decided to move out into the country and continue on our journey by resourcing our own products, making our own products, and selling them. My husband does a lot of woodworking. He's building bird houses and animal houses and lots of things. You can check that out on his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. But we're going to be doing lots of handcrafted products, and it's really going to help us pivot our business, and we're going to be able to add stuff to the website. I'm going to be probably moving to more of a gift boutique type of environment instead of just wholesaling and doing lots of large order t-shirts. I'm going to be handcrafting baby items, toddler items. I'm really focused right now, or I've spent the downtime I've had during this pandemic, I've spent loading the website and building my inventory to display in booths and different types of booths in our area. Arkansas is known for flea markets and craft boutiques and things like that. And I'm going to be partnering with a lot of people and sharing our brand locally. It's really going to help get our name out. And I think that is a key too, is learning how to work with local people. There's a big push to shop local and to source American-made products, and I think that's what the train we're going to be getting on. So I'm going to be pushing towards really trying to market ourselves into a artisan, handcrafted country boutique. And I think while our inventories will probably remain low, we're going to be able to sustain ourselves through whatever crisis is going to come, and keeping all the manufacturing in-house and close to me. I can be able to monitor, how those products are made and what I'm selling and shipping to customers. because if I wouldn't buy it, I'm not going to ship it. And that's my personal motto that I've always gone by with my business. I would never ship an item to a customer that I personally wouldn't buy or I wouldn't like to receive in the mail. And so I hope you will stop by our new website and check it out. And I hope you'll stay tuned for more videos with displaying our new products. I will be doing sewing projects and showing you how I'm making something to put in, what a finished product to put into the website so that you can purchase that. And by watching an American-made product being made from start to finish and then buying it. I think that's super important. So I'm going to be doing wax or tart melts too, all going to be centered around farmhouse and country scents. We're going to be using organic essential oils, and we're also going to have a back end, our wholesale market, where we're able to produce for other companies as well. So anyway, I hope you will enjoy what's coming. Stick around, and let's all try to pivot our businesses and certainly enhance the quality of our products for our customers. So everybody have a blessed day. Find somebody to bless, and we'll see you guys very soon on the next video.